Do you desire to have a more informed, even a more scholarly knowledge of the Bible? Do you desire to better navigate the complex issues of Scripture so as to articulate its teachings more effectively? Well, with just one carefully guided hour per week for just a few weeks, you will accomplish so much in this regard. Beginning August 7, 2023, the Biblical Manuscript Research Institute offers professional courses on the historical background of the Bible, how to study the Bible, how the Bible became a book, the Gospels, covenant law and Sabbath, New Testament Greek, Old Testament Hebrew, and much more. You should take advantage of these opportunities all in the comfort of your own home. I'm Clinton Baldwin. My PhD in Biblical Studies, along with my many years of teaching at the graduate and undergraduate levels, plus decades of pastoral experience, have suited me to provide guidance on many topics pertaining to the Bible. Why not register now at biblicalmri.com or just send me a text or a call 240-878-0953 and we will take it from there. It will make a world of difference in your life.